So the complaint's been it's been leaking oil, leaving spots everywhere. This is on a 14 X1. What I did was put a little cardboard down to verify where it's leaking, followed it up, and found that, see if you can see it in there, right there at the bottom of the oil filter housing where it bolts up to the head. You can see it when the light's not on it. You see that yellow on there? It's dripping down onto the motor all the way down, and it runs down. See it puddling up down there, and then drips over on top over the oil pan, and that's where I traced it down to. And when it's running, it seems like this thing is pouring out of there almost to the end, you know, to where it's like probably using a quart of oil every other day. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove this cabin filter, which is this guy, and take that out of the way so I can get this out of the way. This trim part here that holds a couple of sensors, one for the roof for the light, and one for, there's another sensor for the cabin filter up there, and get this guy out. And then hopefully I can get to taking, I know there's one bolt here, and looks like there's another one right down in here, and the other one is upside down right here. So I need to see if I can get to those to get to, it's the one that's right here on this head, and see if I can get that fixed, removed. I went ahead and unclipped these two wires right here that were riding in this channel, and took off the oil cap, which is laid upside down right here, so that I can get this up enough, that little trim that they got there, just enough so I can get to this bolt, this bolt. Still wondering about that one down there, how that one's gonna work out with this intake right in the way. But let me see what I can do. All right, so what I did so I can get to that last bolt is I took the computer out, which has 4 little Torx, and unplugged everything. And now that it's out the way, I could get to the 12mm nuts that are on these right here, here, and one right back there to loosen the intake. You can see now it's pretty loose. I'm gonna take this clamp loose right here with the mass airflow and be able to pull that intake out of the way to get to that last bolt and pull that off. So just to let you know, to remove the cabin filter where this was bolted down to there, and one over here, there's 6 in total to remove that cabin filter. And then there's 2 others that are, I believe, 7mm, one here, one on the other side, which will lift this up. And then all you have to do is push this trim tab down here, which will take that rubber out, and remove this clip on here to get it out of the way, and this whole thing will come out. So with the intake being loose, I just picked it up, and you can tell where it was. This hole was sitting in that stud. Picked it up, set it over for a minute so I can take this last bolt out right here where it was leaking from. But I do see a smashed spot right in here, but I can't tell looking at it and trying to hold this camera. But let me give it a once over and get right back.